increasingly we can see probably less than 6 months, a time where like you can verbally describe what you want to do and call an LLM through ScaleStack. And, we're thinking about also like small language models for sales and marketing. So, but that's more like the next 6 months after the first. But like the agents building the workflow themselves. So I need to de-anonymize leads. I have these data sources and like this is my CRM. And like, basically, obviously I'm simplifying, but the agent builds the workflow based on that, tests it out, like connects through the APIs that we have already developed. I mean, the key is that we keep building modules that perform those data sources. And then the agent, which used to be a customer success or customer ops person on our end, like, builds and deploys the workflow and tests it out and like, does the quality data checks that are required, and it's all automated. So that's where like a huge focus for our product team is going to be over the next 6 months.
Like so the next evolution of recipes or templates where you'd say like, here are some common use cases, but you're saying just tell us what you want. We'll build you a place to start. You can always edit that.
Yeah.
That's very
Yeah.
exciting.
That's where we're going to focus a lot of the attention and the hiring and all of that.
There's a lot of companies that are actually trying to solve the blank page problem. And there's this notion of, oh, I'm optimizing my time. But I think they're conflating this with very often with the efficiency that comes from the customization and how much more time you need to put on top of blank page. So question for you I have is that you planning to solve the first one, blank page problem, or are you planning to solve the customization problem with the agents and AI?
No, I think it's the second. I think that customers come with like a very specific set of problems and like hardcore issues that they have and they cannot solve. So it's not that like, I mean, I was faced recently in my personal life with like blank page problem. Like, my building is suing the sponsor of the building. And like, I needed to analyze a lot of documents and we needed to put together like a strategy for like the legal negotiation.